We are no professionals by any means. Before you watch this video, keep that in mind.
They're not gonna be no. ¿Dónde dejaste las nalgas?
Huh? Don't show my butt, baby, bro. These people don't want to see my butt. They want to see me doing work. Guys, today I'm bringing in a video of renovating our RV. It's a complete mess because we're removing everything. As you can see, we already got this section of the RV ready, which is going to be the first starting point of this whole project. We did take off these ugly curtains that came with the RV, and we also took off this light fixture that goes up here. The receptacle covers, I took them off. We're using that patching plaster to patch up all the holes. I did leave these holes exposed because we're putting back the sliding curtains. All these other holes, I did patch them up. I don't know if I did a good job or not, but it's okay. We learn and we retry. So to clean everything, the walls, I'm using Simple Green. I'm not sure if this is a good product or not. I've used it in many projects before and it's done a pretty good job. It's a non-degreaser and it's non-toxic biodegradable formula. It's a good thing to use, especially if you have dogs. So yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. We're gonna be waiting till the compound dries up and we're gonna get to sanding it down again and starting to paint soon, hopefully. Alright guys, so we started painting. We are no pros. We've never painted before in our lives, so we should have probably watched a couple of videos before we did it, but here we are. The paint that we're using is this one, Elegant White. It already comes with primer. Supposedly a video that I watched, it's better if we buy it with primer already. So we're just adding the first layer. We're not going too crazy. My wife here is the one painting for right now. In a little it'll be my turn.
We ended up going to Home Depot to buy the floor. It was $36. We're gonna put the link for you guys on the bottom in the description. We did buy a new dining table as well. Once the new one comes in, we'll, hopefully we'll record it. Today in the morning, I ended up starting on this slide out.
Why is this so hard?
And painting it completely. Oh. There you go, there you go. Get on the top.
That's how you do it. That's what a little piece of glue does. Makes it impossible to come off. This is the first layer. That's why there's so much patches around. We're gonna do another layer. You can see like here, the kitchen, we only did 2 layers. We don't really need 3 or 4. If you guys just go with paint that has primer already on it, it makes it a lot easier. You don't have to primer it and then paint over it. You just paint.
Like
you do
1
2
time.
layers and you're good.
The sandpaper that we're using, this is the one.
Yeah, we got that one at Home Depot. If you guys are gonna buy any
we got
supplies,
this
don't
one.
go to Home Depot, go to Walmart. It's a lot cheaper. You'll end up spending probably $20 less than Home Depot if you just go to Walmart. This is the paint. Better Homes and Garden Elegant White. It comes with primer. We've done 2 layers on here. We've done 2 layers over there. And we've done 1 layer on this part of the wall.
And to be honest, from here, as you can tell, it's a big difference already of how bright it is compared to our other slide out that's over there.
Let me show you guys a tool that is actually very handy to me doing these projects. Is this gun right
Especially
here.
in the RV.
So this nail gun is very important because almost everything uses staples and nails. So this is the other staple gun that I bought for 20 bucks, Home Depot. It uses heavy duty staples. Make sure you buy the tools that you need. If you go to Home Depot, this is $150, I believe, without a battery, and 20 bucks for a staple gun. These tools here too, like the saw, jigsaw, and you don't really need an impact. It makes life easier, to be honest.
We've actually lived in this RV for
Almost 2 years now.
2 years already, and we actually love it. There's always like pros and cons in living in an RV, but you know, we'll just maybe explain that in a later video, how it is that we live in an RV and like how we like it so far and all that stuff.
These RVs are built like trash. I mean, people like this one was $100,000 RV. We got it for $69,000 and it's built like crap. There's a lot of things that are just halfway done. They just slap things over things because it just makes it easy for them. And if you really think about it, I think they're like 20-year-old guys who build these things, and they build them so quick because they got another one they have to build, and a different one. So when we got this RV, there was a couple problems that I didn't look for myself. And you know what? We're gonna make a video about that. We're gonna show you guys what to look for. That way you can ask them to fix it right there and then. Because once it's in your hands and you live in it full time, you gotta think about, okay, you can get extended warranty. That's cool. But you're gonna have to take it to them and they might keep it for 3 months, 1 month, a week or so. It just depends on the problem. But think about, where are you guys gonna live? Where are you guys gonna go? We're gonna show you guys that anybody can do it. We're no professionals by any means. We're just young kids trying to build something and call it home. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys can like the video and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Bye.